Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the emotional support alligator token. Ticker symbol is Wally. Now this is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20 token that is trending #1 in the Ethereum section on Dex Screener, doing very well today. Ticker symbol is Wally. They're up almost 500% today. I saw this token trending yesterday as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's been a trend of like real life animals. Kind of started, I guess, with Mudang, the hippo, very popular Chinese hippo from a Chinese zoo. And then following that, there was Peanuts. That was a very popular token having to do with justice for Peanut. And then there was some more like real life animal justice tokens that came out. There was Fred, and there was a goat. I mean, all sorts of different ones. Almost 2 or 3 very popular ones every single day. And now we have an emotional support alligator. And if you go over to like say their Telegram, which is at Gator_ETH. You can see the real picture there of this alligator. 2,725 subscribers. It says the world's first emotional support alligator. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, memes, partnerships, etc. And you can find this token, by the way, on Etherscan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap. If you go to Dex Tools, you can find all the links. They have a Bubble Maps link, Twitter, webpage, Telegram, and I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see the contract address is right on the Twitter. Real easy to find that. Same with the Telegram I just mentioned, and then their webpage is listed there as well. WallyETH.xyz. Their Twitter is at WallyGator_ETH, just like the Telegram. And they have a blue verified checkmark, 55 tweets, 2,373 Twitter followers. And you can tell it's a brand new project because they just joined November 2024 on Twitter. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with ETH. Now you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your ETH for the Wally token using that contract address. I'm not sure if there's taxes. We're going to have to check in a second here to see if there's taxes. And there is going to be some gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So just be aware of that. And this token may also might become available on central exchanges soon. That's why it's a good idea to follow the socials. They do Twitter Spaces here. You could see one recently they did called Devs Burning $200,000 of Wally ? Let's burn. So looks like Twitter Spaces and token burns. So that's nice to see that. And then if you go over to Dex Tools, they're trending #1 on Dex Tools right now as well. So trending #1 and #1 on both chart sites. And then we have here 3,680 holders so far. There's a total supply and circulating supply of 9.64 billion tokens. They have a market cap right now of $13.2 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Right now, this token is up 560% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $8.7 million. Just today, they've had 7,240 transactions. They have $497,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, we got 100% of that total liquidity, 99.99% of that total liquidity locked and burned. Token price right now is 0.0013 USD. They have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener today. There's the marketing boost button. This token just came out 4 days, 9 hours ago on Uniswap, and they have 74.58 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 182,058,000 pooled Wally tokens. Now, according to their audit here, it says 0% buy and sell taxes. There is one warning here for trading cooldown, but pretty much everything else on their quick intel and Go Plus security audit is checked off green. So it's just got that one trading cooldown warning, so just be aware of that. According to Etherscan, they're almost at 4,000 holders, 3,954 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. Now their webpage, if you go over there, there is a buy now button. There is a how to buy section. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you can just follow the step-by-step how to buy. So Wally is the alligator that was once rescued from Disneyland Pond and later registered as the world's first licensed emotional support alligator. During a vacation in Georgia, Wally went missing and was reportedly released into the wild by federal wildlife officials, sparking global outcry and widespread media backlash. And then they have a YouTube video, Meet Wally, My Emotional Support Alligator, Beast Buddies, and it's him and this dude, and they're just chilling out. I mean, face to face with this alligator. I don't know if I'd trust it like that, but okay. So it says here, liquidity burns, how to buy, join our community. They have all the community links at the bottom of their webpage. And then they also have a quick intel security audit on DEX tools that you could check out as well. But they're not full audits, so keep that in mind. Just quick audits. So always thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.